Hey family here, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today's Vlogmas will be a 2-in-1 hair and makeup tutorial. This hair is by SVT Hair. This is their 24-inch Indian full lace body wave wig. I've never had a full lace wig before, so this really allowed me to get this very deep side part. Yes, this lace is a little bit clockable, honey. It is a tad too dark for my skin tone. I really don't know how to fix that because I feel like when I put foundation over top of lace that is still too dark, it makes it look dirty. I don't know, but if you guys have any tips on how to, like, if lace is too dark, what are the tips and tricks to make it look melted into the skin? So let me know, okay? Give me a few tips. I would love some tips. But this hair is so nice. When I first, got acquainted with the hair, it was very tangly. Like, extremely tangly. I was like, oh no, girl, is this hair bad? Like, is this not good hair? But the body wave texture was super beautiful. But of course, when you wash it out, it just falls limp. Like, why does body wave hair do that? Like, I would love for body wave hair to keep that very body wave, texture even when it gets wet. But when it got wet, all the waves completely fell out and it was basically straight hair. Let me actually show you the conditioner I put in it to actually get it into a manageable state. Because when I first got it, my fingers barely ran through it. Okay, so after I, bleached the knots, I did over bleach these a tad, but she looks kind of good. I used this Joico Curl. This is a conditioner for curly hair. It's their Curl Nourished Conditioner to repair and replenish curls. It's this one right here. Boom. If I can find the link, I will link it down below. I used conditioner that's meant for curly hair for this hair because it was so doggone tangly. I was like, ooh, we need something. It's actually really sleek. Still a little bit of snags. It has a beautiful luster, a beautiful shine. And then I create this sultry-ish, fiery-ish makeup look with the new, well, actually, I don't know if it's new, the Karity Picante palette. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing how I did this very sleek, deep side part on this full lace Indian body wave wig, as well as this sultry-ish, fiery-ish makeup glam look with the Karity Picante palette, then subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads because we are uploading a video every single day in the month of December. And I want you all a part of this ride, honey. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video by the time you reach the end of this video. And stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Almost entirely took off my makeup and wig until I realized I forgot to announce giveaway number 2. So if you tuned in to the first giveaway, which was Vlogmas Day 1, I announced the first weekly giveaway. I chose the winner yesterday in Vlogmas Day 7. I didn't announce it. I DM'd the winner, so I just went ahead and DM'd the winner. So if you received a DM, girl, congratulations to you. You are the winner to giveaway number 1. So now I just need to do giveaway number 2. So it's basically the same thing. A huge, large priority mail shipping box full of beauty products. I filled it up to the brim, you guys. Everything is brand new. We have the Balm, Profusion, Buxom, so there's like high-end makeup, drugstore makeup, a few hair care products. I put some Benefit in here, so there's a lot of makeup in these boxes. So if you want to win a huge mystery box, basically, because I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, you do have to do a few things, okay? First, you must be subscribed to this channel, of course. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and double tap my last 3 pics. Then head over to Twitter, follow me on Twitter, and retweet my pinned tweet. And when you are done, all you have to do is comment down below your Instagram handle so I can go ahead and DM you if you happen to be the winner. That is like the easiest form of communication for me. If you do not have an Instagram or Twitter, you can go ahead and make one if you want to enter. It is free. All of the rules will be down below in the description box, so be sure to read the rules. When you comment down below your Instagram handle, that says to me that you did all of the steps. So congratulations to giveaway winner number 1. There are 3 more giveaways. So this is the second one. There will be a third one and then finally a fourth one. Now back to you, Aaliyah. Starting off with hair, this video is in partnership with SVT Hair, and your wig will come in this pink mesh bag. You get a beautiful pair of lashes actually, as well as the wig in this huge Ziploc bag to protect it. There is a net around the wig and a little paper filling to keep the shape of the wig. So this is their body wave, I believe 24 inches. The actual body wave texture is beautiful, but it fell right out when I washed it. It was snagging, so it was kind of hard to run my fingers through it. There is the front of the wig. You have 3 clips. And then there's the back of the wig with a clip in the back as well as an adjustable strap. So this is literally how the wig looks, freshly washed and conditioned. It's super straight, like the body wave texture just completely fell out of the wig. So I'm just brushing it to show you guys how the hair looks. I'm going to use this Dove heat protectant, this Motions wrapping foam, as well as this keratin oil as the products to make this hair very sleek. So I'm just taking a rat tail comb and I'm creating a side part on the side where it's kind of like my favorite side of my face. So that's how I'm making the part. And then I'm just taking this wrapping foam and securing the part so when I make the part, the hair doesn't keep flipping sides. So I'm just securing the part with the wrapping foam and creating the part to my liking. And this full lace wig allowed me to get a very deep side part. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take an Andy's hot comb and I'm just going to secure the side part so the hair lays where I want it to lay. Oh, and by the way, I did not customize this wig at all. I did slightly over bleach the knots, but I thought it looked pretty good. I honestly am on a time crunch. I did not have time to fully customize this wig, so this is the hairline that was already provided to me, girl. Alright, now it doesn't really need to be straightened, but I'm just going to quickly run a straightener through the hair just to sort of secure the sleekness. So I'm spraying that Dove heat protectant in, brushing it through, and then I'm just going to roughly straighten the hair. And I'm taking very large chunks of hair. The wig was on the thin side, on the natural thin side, which I kind of like, so it made straightening it super easy and quick to do. So I'm just quickly running a straightener through it. And I'm just taking a pea-sized amount of that keratin oil hair serum because a little bit goes a long way and it will weigh down the hair. But I wanted it to add a sleek shine to the hair and it did just that. I'm going to brush it through. And lastly, I'm taking this Got To Be Glued Free Spray and I'm just putting that onto the edges of the hair so when I go and put the wig on, the hair doesn't fly away, it's not all over the place, and this is just securing this sleek style. And I'm using an edge brush just to brush that through. Alright, and this completes the styling portion of the hair. Very sleek style. My lace is a tad clockable, honey, but this is what she looks like on. If the lace was transparent, this style would have been set off. Okay, moving on to makeup, we're just going to do a quick beat, a quick glam. I'm going to prime my lids with the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, blend that out with the Luxie Beauty 231, and go ahead and pack some powder into my inner eye socket with that Luxie Beauty 207. So I'm going to be using the Karity Picante eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that shade right there with the Morphe M167 brush, and that is going to be our brow bone highlight. All of the shade names that I use will be listed down below. And then I'm just going to take some powder to catch the fallout for my eye look, since I did do my face first. Now we're going to take this Sigma E38 brush and take this sort of burnt orange, muted fiery color, and that is going to be our crease color, and I'm just going to blend that in sections so I can get the most diffused eyeshadow outcome. Alright, next I'm going to take that shimmer shade right there with a Morphe E19 brush, and I'm just going to carve out my crease with no concealer. All I'm doing is wetting my brush with a little bit of setting mist, and then I'm just going into that shimmer shade and carving out a half cut crease. Now I'm going to go into this beautiful sort of penny gold color, and we are putting that just right on the cut of the crease. So the cut of the crease is a little bit more vibrant, and then it transitions down into my cut crease lid shade. And I'm going to go into that brown shade, that purple shade, and then this sort of muted brick shade with the Morphe R41 brush, and that is going to add some contrast onto our outer lid. And now I'm just going to marry the lid color and the outer lid color together. And I'm going to take this sort of berry plum shimmer shade just to transition the lid, the half cut crease, into the outer corner. Alright, now we're going into that muted brick shade again, and I'm taking this Morphe M508 brush, and I'm just defining the cut of the half cut crease to add dimension. If you look at my eye that's already finished, you can see how when you just deepen up that crease slightly, it just adds more dimension and makes the crease look a little bit more 3D. Now we're just going to go ahead and balance off the eye. I'm taking the same shades that I use onto the outer lid, the outer corner, and we're just going to balance out the eye and put it on the lower lash line. And I'm just making sure everything is diffused with that Sigma E38 brush. And we're just going to pop in that same penny gold shade into the inner corner and top it off with this more yellowy gold shade to set off the inner corner highlight. And now I'm just going to go ahead and dust away that powder to catch the fallout. And I'm going to apply some Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Mascara, as well as these Nabutsum Dragon Lee lashes, and you can use code ahliyah20 to save some coin at checkout. Lastly, we're going to apply this Ofra Cosmetics Americano liquid lipstick, which I thought was the perfect cognac brown shade to set off this look. And this completes my 2-in-1 hair and makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Check out my latest upload if you have not already. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.